Hi there! I'm just gonna put at the beginning of this video a little bit of a disclaimer. I will be getting into some political topics. I will be getting into a topic that'll probably offend a lot of people, but then again, what doesn't offend anyone these days? So get your tea ready because it's going to be hot. Hi friends, it's me, Anna May here. May like the month, not the Japanese cartoon. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me and unpopular opinions because I have a lot of those. So at the beginning of the video, I did a disclaimer because yes, these topics will probably make people very butthurt, and I'm just gonna be like,
these are my opinions. What are you gonna do about it?
All the products that I'll be using for the makeup look will be listed down in the description below. Why do people hate on drugstore products so much? Like, you can actually get some good stuff, especially if you go to like a place that actually sells the products, like Ulta, because I've seen some really good products at Ulta that, you know, you could find in a drugstore, but you can't find at Ulta. I've been to Ulta once and it was a life changer. There's been a huge thing going on all over YouTube. Shane Dawson's new series. You know, that one about sociopaths, which is really about Jake Paul. Let's be honest here. Now, I'm gonna go in and say I'm over it. I'm happy for Shane and doing stuff that he likes. But like with this new series, again, I'm proud of him. I just think it's, you know, it's over dramatic, and because it's over dramatic, I find myself getting bored when I watch it. It almost seems like it's not very well planned out, but you know what? Shane's doing him, people are upset about it, I'm bored with it. You know what? The moral of the story here, good for Shane for doing stuff that he likes. I'm probably gonna receive a lot of backlash for this makeup palette because it's,
oh my god, it's Demi Lovato. She overdosed. She has to be a terrible role model now.
I'm feeling the Sephora palette. Like, these two palettes, they're my favorite. I use them on a daily basis. Another topic that'll probably get me a lot of hate, 21 Pilots. They're okay. They're not the greatest. They're not revolutionary in the musical industry. Like, anyone can sit on a drum, play a guitar, and rap, and sing. But then that would be me contradicting on all of my music tastes. Like, it's been done before. 21 Pilots, they're overrated. And you know what? I'm over it. Like, I never really liked them from the start because they weren't, you know, my music. Like, anyone can sing about the problems. I mean, look at Avril Lavigne. She sung about Lyme disease. Channing Tatum, he's not hot. He looks like a fucking sack of potatoes with a watermelon on top. I don't understand why people like him. Is it because of Magic Mike? I think it's because of Magic Mike, but I never liked Magic Mike. I thought it was dumb. Like, you could go to Vegas and see the real thing. Fake lashes? Okay, honey. What makes fake lashes so good? Like, I understand, like, the volume it gets you, but then, like, people are spending, like, $100 to get, you know, more fake lashes added to their eyes, like, permanently, although they, like, start to fall out after a week of applications. I wore fake lashes once and it ripped out some of my eyelashes on this eye. You'll definitely see it once I put mascara on. If I have any mothers that watch me, oh boy, babies, not cute. Let's be real here. They're ugly. They only get cute, you know, if they make themselves cute. Yeah, I don't like babies. I don't like children. And then people are just like,
oh, well, that'll change once you meet the right guy.
who are you to tell me what I'm supposed to do with my life? Like, if I don't want children, just sit there and accept that. Toddlers, get out. Ugh, pit bulls get a lot of backlash for being aggressive dogs, but yet children don't get backlash for being, like, aggressive to other people or to their, like, parents or their siblings. Like, come on, I know a dog that's more well-behaved than your child. Gabby Hanna, she's actually a really good singer. Online school is amazing. I don't have to, like, talk to people in a classroom. I don't have to present any class projects. I don't have to do anything except for do my work at home and submit it online. But graduation, it was so overrated. People made a big deal about having the most beautiful, expensive dress, and I was just like, why are you paying all that money for a dress you're only gonna wear once? Graduation, it was stupid. The food, disgusting. The music was the person that literally tried to kill me in a parking lot. Like, if you're graduating this year, I mean, props to you. If you graduated last year, props to you. If you graduated at all, props to you. I don't know how to introduce this topic, but it's kind of a wild topic. It's a wild situation. But McDonald's, yeah, disgusting. Like, don't call me if you're going to McDonald's, because I have better things to do. Pineapple on pizza is okay. It's actually really good, and you're just too close-minded to try new things. Puns? Oof. Oh man, they're great. They're amazing.
I'm dropping makeup brushes all over.
Slime is fucking stupid. So Tim Hortons coffee, that's the Canada's coffee place. It's not good, but it's cheap. This is another topic that will raise a lot of heat, but this is why it's unpopular opinions and why it's my opinions. How you raise your child will dictate what they do in their future. Like, if you coddle them and you spoil them, they become a brat. You're not really raising them to be independent, you're raising them to be dependent. Also, spoiled kids are assholes. Those were my unpopular opinions. These are my unpopular opinions. That's what they are, opinions. If we share the same view on things, great. If we don't, that's also great, because then you have your own opinions and you have your own ability to make your own opinions. So as long as you have your own opinion, you're your own individual. I'm very political. Hi, I'm an adult. I can vote now. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am Anna May, like the month, not the Japanese cartoon. And I will see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification down below. Alright, bye!